and I'll help you for the same. So I'm providing here some informative knowledge about the trading, about the how to work with the strategies and all things. Basically, the trading is not so very easy, and whenever we are going to do trading, we need to take some kind of you know actions and protections. So my name is Hemant Modi. I am your financial analyst. Let's start the webinar today. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy called Safari. Guys, we have some different type of situations. We have different type of conditions. We have many indicator, many oscillators. How to work with that, and how to understand that what is the right time to open the trade, and what to do and what we shouldn't do. Basically, whenever we are going to open the trade, we should just follow some basic things. First of all, be patient. So here we have an option called technical analysis. We need to go here on the technical analysis section. Once we click to the technical analysis, you can see it over here. I am having a list, a menu of the things. So here we have an indicator option, we have an oscillator option, drawing tool option, and strategies and advisors. What we need to do, basically, we need to just click to the strategies, and here we have the many strategies. If you are an expert status holder, then you will have a chance to get all 33 strategies. If you are become the starter status holder only, then you will have a chance to get 8 strategies. If you become the advanced, then 8 plus 7, 15 strategies, and in case of expert, you have all 23 strategies. So today we are going to discuss about one more strategy of the expert status called Safari. So we have the strategy here. Name of the strategy is Safari. Once we need to click to the strategy, you can see there is a small video. The video is going to help you to understand. If you are having some kind of confusion, you can check this video. It will not taking not more than 2 minutes of yours. In downside, you can see there is a basics of the strategy, and we need to enable the strategy over here. So I click to the strategy, and the strategy is going to set on my account, as you can see. How to work with the strategies, how to open trade with the strategies, what is the proper entry point for the strategy, we will going to discuss it today for sure. Whenever we are going to open the trades, what we need to do, we need to just focus. And for this 45 minutes, I would like you to please pay your attention on it, so that I can tell you the things properly and you will understand. So Safari strategy basically belongs to the two components, and that is actually one. If you can see on above side, there is an indicator which is called William percentage R, and below you can see on above side MACD, and there you can see the William percentage R. This both situations are helping us to find a pattern on our trade. How to do it? So MACD, moving average conversion and divergence. This is a trend following momentum oscillator. What is the meaning of trend following momentum oscillator? Trend following momentum oscillator, MACD actually providing you the signal that you can see the trend is going up or trend is go down, when we can open the trade, how to do it. So all these things. So this is actually showing you the relationship between two moving averages of the security price. Right now I am opening the trade, guys. As I mentioned, again I am repeating, kindly do not copy the trade. Sometimes I open the trade in a proper way, sometimes I just open a trade for a checking condition. So you need to follow and understand, and then you should open the trade accordingly. MACD can provide us a trend is going up, going down, and how what is the continuity of the trend over here. So we have here, you can see there is a small yellow histogram situation, because we have the MACD here on the histogram situation. This is a very simple strategy, guys. If you can open the trade by using this strategy, and on the face of the trend, you will get some better results over here. What is the setup? The setup is the MACD and William percent R should be must in the same position, either above or below the horizontal level. If there is a signal from two indicator at one, which is going to be on different side, means MACD is showing you the different signal, Williams percent R is going to the different signal, then better to avoid trade over here, because here you will have a chance to get some negative results maybe. So in the MACD, if you can see, I'm just moving my cursor, you can see this is a horizontal line, which is we called the horizontal way, the middle area of the MACD. So time to time what happened, this blue histogram is coming up or coming down. It's coming up or coming down. So as better it's going up, you will see the signals are better. I opened the trade and you see my trade is going positive. And we have here the two lines also. The two lines basically belongs to the green line. It's absolutely MACD line. And the red line is basically signal line. So once the green line, meaning the MACD line, cross the red line down to up, it's crossing the horizontal level and coming towards to up, we can say the trend is might be up. If the green line is cross the red line from downside, from upper to down, that we will say the trend is might down. Importantly, how to understand the situation of signal. If this line is going to cross properly on a upper side or properly on a downside, then we can say the trend is coming up and down. If the two lines, green and red, or in the histogram is just near to the horizontal line, or there is a not too much gap we see in the lines, the red and green lines, that means the signal is dicey, better to avoid trading at that time. So this is the MACD. I open just a single trade in front of you. However, I will gonna open some more trades. Now we have a Williams percentage R, which is below. I can show you the in the green histogram situation, and here in the last you can see there is a parameter 20, 50 and 80. The Williams percentage R indicator finds the price direction of an asset and reversal point of the market trend. What actually we need here, it is a bounded oscillator between 0 to minus 100. However, by default it's showing here from minus 20 to minus 80. So the 50 line, minus 50 line, this is basically a horizontal line. So when the line properly smoothly coming from up to down or down to up, and we see the horizontal line of Williams percentage R is crosses the line, horizontal line from up to down. So here we have a downtrend signal, and whenever this line crosses the line from down to up, we will might be have a profitable signal T for upper trend. The Williams percentage R also providing you some reversal points. So as you can see over here, there is a line of minus 20, and some of the time the lines are going above minus 20 level. So if the lines are going above minus 20 level, that is a level of minus 0 around. So most of the time the trend are coming reverse from this side, and the same here is the minus 80, and there is a same lines we can see on the down area. So when we see the lines are crosses from the downside and it crosses the 80 minus 80 level, that will be the area of minus 100. So we can wait for the reversal point. Now let's see how to open the trade. As I mentioned before, we need to find a signal for both trend which should be similar. MACD should be below the line and Williams percent R should be below the line. And if you are getting the two signals on the same time, so the starting signal is always very helpful for trading, guys. Whenever you choose any asset, if you see the line is near to cross or it's already cross, that would be a better and proper signal for trading. For getting a profitable trades and for getting a trades even, you need to do some efforts. And what is that efforts, guys? You need to find your profitable trades. Your profitable trades is not going to come to you automatically. So I'm here and I'm trying to find some signal, and let's take a downtrend, but I'm not too much sure about it. So as we see, the two signals are similar. So you can see the previous two candles as well. The candle is red. However, in this strategy, we shouldn't go for the candle. We are not focusing too much to the candle. So we just need MACD. MACD is below the line the green line is already crossed the MACD, the signal line, that this is actually a reversal, because this line is going to touch and it's coming back. So, and William percentile is also below the line. But the important thing which I wanted to tell you, you can see the volatility of the candle. Either candle moving too much fast, or either candle become very slow. This is we called always a trend of uncertainty. So try to avoid trading whenever you see the trend uncertainty. Means if the candle is too much fast and if the candle is just too much slow, nothing we see in the candle, there is nothing happened in the candle, and candle stay on the particular area for 10 second, 20 second, then please don't open the trade. But if you see the trend is overall proper and everything is fine, then you can open the trade. The thing is entry point. One more important thing, most of the people open the trade, and they open the trade according to their own mind. Like what? Signal is matching, but I will open the trade, let it go more down. No. So you can see my trading entry. This right line is, you can see this is the entry point of my trading, the opening price of my trade. As fast as the candle start, as soon you start your trading. Means if you are putting your graph time for 1 minute, so if your graph time is 1 minute, then your trading time should be minimum 2 to 3 minutes. And if you wanted to open the trade with the minimum graph time of 1 minute, then you should open the trade on first 10 seconds or maximum 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds you should enter in your trading, sir. If the 20 seconds is already passed, then I suggest you to not open the trade. Basically this is the only way to open the trade. Right now we are having a signal. Okay, I opened the trade exactly on the 20th second, but check the previous candle. Most of you always suffer with one thing, and what is that? Whenever we open the trade, we saw the trade is just going opposite from that direction, just because we didn't see the levels. Some of the time what is here, if the candle stuck previously on some pattern, it doesn't matter it's up or down. So we see here the candle is a little bit stuck here, the trend has become dicey, and the same direction on the same time I open the trade. And the previous candle, if you can see, the candle is going down, but it was closing on the upper side above his lower price. So that may be going to be unnecessary, providing you the result which you actually don't want it your trading. So what exactly we need to do? We need to go according with the trend, because this is the strategy which is working properly with the trends. How to find the trends, how to go, how to choose the trend. So as I said, we have many assets over there. So usually I think many of you already aware about the trends. Whenever we see the price of the asset is coming down from up to down, that is called a downtrend. Whenever we see the price of the asset from coming down to up, that is called an upper trend. However, there is a sideways situation. Example of the level. Check this one. So the trend is coming down, then candle go up, it will come down again, but it's not crossing the same level. That is called the level. So always remember when you open the trade that you shouldn't open the trade at the time of level. Maybe it can be unnecessary, break your forecast. So I opened 2 trades. That trade I opened in the last 20th second, and this is also positive. So what I did actually, on the first trade I opened the trade with the $20, and absolutely this is I opened with the risk free trade. It was not a loss, but I recover that amount also. So overall I opened 4 trades, and actually 3 trades are positive. How to do it? We have many of assets over here. So you need to go here, and it's written over here any profitability. Just click to 80%. Once you click to the 80%, you will get all the assets which is providing you the profitability of minimum 80%. Just select any signal, any asset, any of asset you can choose from here. You need to find a signal, just signal. What we need to do? If we are getting the signal and we saw the trend is going down or trend is go up, boom, open the trade. However, the previous candle is already provided as a signal. According to that, the next candle is also provided, and I open the trade again. Remember one thing, if we are getting the multi-directional data, so check this one. I'm using my cursor, guys. Please check this one. What we are getting over here, we are getting the MACD is showing us a signal for a downtrend, but here we have a Williams percentage R which is showing the signal for an upper trend. So one is showing up and one is showing down. We shouldn't open the trade here. For opening your trading, you need to get the signal should be either above the horizontal line or should be below the horizontal line. This is the base of the trading. And when the market is dicey, when the market is volatile, you see, usually what happened, the candle is closed and the next candle always open on the same price of closing. But when the market is so much dicey, candles maybe jump. Candles maybe jump for their opening prices. So always be careful to open the trade in that scenario. So usually I'm opening the trades with the down trade direction and okay, 1, 2, 3. Only I open the trade for higher upper trend, Asia Composite Index and Crypto Composite Index. I'll give you the answer for each and every one in the last 10 minutes or last 15 minutes of the consultation. So be with me. Munnaji, I will give you the reply. Hi, hello, and definitely we will talk, but let's finish the chapter first. For opening the trade on upper direction, what we need to do? We should go only for the upper situation. So when the MACD crosses the line from down to up and Williams percent R also showing the signal which is above the -50 horizontal line, then we can say we could go for the upper trend. So here is my fourth trade that is also positive. So if you find, guys, as you already watched this webinar, if you find any of the signals for upper trend or any other asset, if you like okay, you want me to open the trade on that asset, I will love to. Please suggest me. In this trading condition, I would like to suggest you one more thing, guys. A high market activity period means a better signal. Now, what is the high market activity period? High market activity period means whenever we are having the signal properly, either smoothly it's going up or either smoothly going down. That is called the high market activity period. So if you can open the trade on that scenario, you will have a better chance to get some maximum profitability. If you see the candles are green and white, green and red constantly, you will get the green and red candles like this one right now. As you can see, one green, one red, one green, one red, and this is the cause of our losses. Do not open the trade here. I would like to suggest you, please don't open the trade here. Only you can open the trade once you see the trend is proper, or if the candle is too much volatile or too much slow, don't open the trade. The next thing is the profitability ratio. If you are going to open the trade and choosing the strategy, I would like to suggest you please go with the minimum 80% profitability. A asset can provide you the minimum 80% profitability can be better and fine. So what you need to do? We need to wait for the signal and we need to open the trade according to the signal. Important economic news, guys. Nowadays, as you already aware, the global situation. Yesterday we already heard the news about the Iran and Israel conflict. Iran already attacked, so definitely the market is going to be effect on this. Not this market, but yes, currency market. Gold is already, as you can see, guys, in the top in the history of gold. So yes, at the time of important economic news, try to avoid trading. Let the market become calm, let the situation will be settled, and then go further with the trading with that. Martingale system. Martingale system is always helping you to get some better situation and you will have a chance to recover your losses. Now what is the martingale system? Martingale system is working like, suppose that you start your trading with the $1,000. Let's suppose that you start your trading with the $1,000. So you need to start your trade. You have the $1,000 in your account. You need to start your trading with minimum 1% of your balance amount, and that is going to be $100. $100 is the minimum amount to open the trade, and if you open the trade with that, if your first trade is positive with the $100, then continue open the trade with the $100. No need to change it. Just no need to change it. If your $100 trade is going negative, then go start next trade with the $200. If your $200 trade is going positive, then you will have a chance to get recovery of that amount, and also you will have a chance to get some profitability of your amount as well. In that situation, just continue your trade with the $100 because we already recovered the amount of the $100 the previous trade and we have a profitability. So just open the trade with the $100 again. If your two trades are going negative constantly, continuously, if you check your two trades are going negative, okay, I'll show you here. So I am doing this actually. Whenever I open the trades and I open the same asset, if the two trades are going negative, then you can change the asset. If you want, you can change the timing. If you want, you can change the strategies as well. So you need to change the timing, strategy, and especially asset. Open the trade on the next asset with the $400. So the third amount is the 400. So 100, 200 and 400. Okay, guys, remember this $1,000 theory, I'm just providing you. This is an example. So you can do according to your balance amount, but in Indian currency, it should not going to be lesser than 10,000. Because if you are going with the 10,000, you can start your trade with the 100. The same. If third trade of $400 is going positive, then you will have a chance to recover the amount of last two trades, and also there will be a condition like, okay, I'm having some profitability, then start your trade again with the $100. That's it. What to do if our all three trades are going negative? This gonna maybe happen because this is trading. Nothing is in our hand. Don't worry, don't be panic. Open the last trade. And what is the amount of the last trade? The last trade amount is going to be 800 to 1000. Why 800 and why 1000? If you are going to open the trade with the 800 and if you choose the asset 80%, then maybe you will not have a chance to recover the full loss and get some profitability. And if you are going to open the trade with the 90%, 93% according to your status of your account, then yes, you will have a chance to recover your amount. So in that scenario, in that situation, you can choose the asset according to your perception and according to your profitability and open the last trade with the 1000. If the amount of 1000 trade is going positive, then you will have a chance to get recover the all amount of last three trades, as well as you will get the profitability. What to do after that? Take a small break. In case if the all four trades is going negative, that can be happen. So in this scenario, there is two mistakes actually. Mistake number one, we are maybe doing the same mistakes which we already did before. The second thing is, we are not only doing mistakes, always we are not wrong. Maybe the market is not correct properly. The market is not right. So in that scenario, also please take a break and start your trading after some time as well. This is the basic scenario of the trading. So if you have any questions, please let me know. The timing, let me also inform you. Timing, whatever the graph time, trading timing, whatever the graph time you choose, your trading time should be 2 to 4 times higher than your graph time. Minimum you can take 2 to 3. Like if you are choosing the graph time 1 minute, you can open the trade with 2 or 3 minutes. If you choose the graph time even lesser, suppose if you want to choose the graph time of 30 seconds, open the trade with minimum 1 minute time frame. Maximum it's going to be again, because we don't have option of 1.5, so minimum 1 minute is better. If you are choosing the graph time 20 seconds, then you can go again with the 1 minute time frame. And if you wanted to open the trade in a very lesser time frame, and that is actually 15 second, 5 second time frame, don't go further with the 5 second. Actually, I would like to suggest you to go with the 15 second. If you choose the 15 second time frame, then you need to open the trade with 30 to 45 seconds. So accordingly, if you choose a longer time frame like 5 minutes, then go with the 10 and 20 minutes. But do not open the trade in this kind of scenario which is right now in front of your screen. One green, one red, one green, one red. That is going to be unnecessary, creating chaos on your trading. Timing. As per Indian Standard Time, those who just listening me from the India, morning 12:30 to evening 10:30. Afternoon 10:30 to evening 12:30 is a better time to open the trade. If you go with that, maybe you will get some better signal. However, evening time, this is the time whenever when I'm doing trading here. This is the most crucial timing of the trade, because what happened here at this time, American market is going to be open. Some important data of different countries is coming, and usually the data belongs to the America, and that data is not the normal data. The data belongs to the kind of CPI, consumer price index, inflation reports of America, GDP reports of America. Maybe sometimes you will see the interest rate decisions. So that can be unnecessary influence the market. Try to avoid it. Rest of the time you can open the trade. In terms of the money management, guys, always try to open your trade and put the amount which you use in the trading. Try to use your own amount. Do not take a loan, others money, borrowed money, or the money which is you have of your savings. Do not open the trade with that, because it can be unnecessary, make pressure on you, and you might be suffering with the emotions in your trading, and that emotions is basically the biggest problem in our trading. Because whenever we are doing trade, usually what happen, we are become very happy, we are very excited, and we open the trade with the higher amount and we lost. Sometimes we are become excited because after some profitable trades we feel like we are invincible, and that is going to be also a problem. In condition of the invincible situation, the mostly traders are doing trading over here, and they lost. And the frustration is coming when we are having the constantly negativity, and usually what happened now, the peoples are actually fighting with the assets. So we are here to not fight, we are here to do some trading. Just open trades, that's it. We need to open the trade and just treat this condition, treat this trading just like your business, because this is our pure business. Don't, most of the peoples actually okay, what is the reason behind of the losses? We started the trading on the Olymp Trade, and we came, and the problem is that we didn't know how to trade. We saw some ad and we see the 5-second trading, and we will, and everyone is thinking like we will become a billionaire in 5 seconds. But the problem is we don't know how to open the trade. So first of all, we need to take some education. The learning is the key of your success. If you want to earn, you need to learn. Simple and sober thing. So what happened actually? We started our trading, and then whenever we started our trading and we see the condition of our trading, that what happened? We opened the trade, we lost, then we become frustrated, and we are trying to recover our losses as possible as earliest. The reason behind of this, greed. Because when we joined, we wanted to reach very early, and without any consider any risk, without any problem, we are just trying to open the trade according to our own way, and we are getting some losses. On the second hand, we are just doing trading on the early basis because we wanted to recover amount early. So what is the things which is not changed over here? The way of our trading. We need to, the problem is not trading actually. Here the trading is not a problem. The problem is our way of trading. Only open trade one by one. One by one you can start your trading in your account. That would be better for you. When you start your trade, if your one trade is negative or one trade is positive, then go further with the next. Do not open the multiple trades at one time. Do not raise your stacks, the amount of your trading unnecessarily. Like We just wanted to open the trade and we raised the stacks. As you can see right now, I'm getting the trade, I'm opening the trades, and I'm getting a profitability. So if and also I'm not the son of the god that 100% I will get the 100% profitability. Not at all. So basically what happened? Focus. The focus is most important key. If you want to open the trade, just have patience. With the patience, you can open the trade, and don't become overconfident. So try to not make a gambling situation over here. Just go further according with the trading. Basically this is a pure 100% trading, and you need to treat it like your business. In a psychological way, I can suggest you one thing. If you feel like you are very hungry, stop your trading for some time. Just do not open the trades. Just like in house, whenever we are sitting on our house, if we are just having a kind of too much stress or anything from anything, we just try to get some fresh air, drink water, do some exercise, jogging, walking. It can be helpful for you. Basically the trading is a part of our life, so let's make it the part of our. Don't make the trading overcome on your head. Every time people are like thinking for trading, whenever we are having mobile, just take the mobile and open the trade. No. And at the starting of the trading, try to start your trading with the smaller amount. Don't go further with the higher amount. Start your trade with the lesser amount, and don't be in rush just like I did. I wanted to open the trade for upper trend, and unfortunately I opened in a down, and again I opened. This is a trading. Definitely you will get the profitability, but only when you become systematic. If you will do that, for sure you will get the profitable result. For sure. I'm here for you. Our team is working for you. Olymptrade can providing you time to time this webinar. So those who wanted to take the webinar in Hindi, they can join. Please like, subscribe our channel, share this channel to other your friends who's just using the Olymtrade. We are providing the webinar in Hindi in every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you want to join in English, then the webinars is here on every Wednesday and every Friday at 6:30. About the economic news, guys, I would like to request you, please pay your attention on next Friday at 6 p.m. There will be important data of non-farm payrolls. And what is that? This is the most important American data, which can be showing us a result which is non-farming sector of America. So they are collect the data of almost 3 lakh companies, and they're providing. So it can be showing us that how much payrolls is going grow in America, which is not belongs to the not from the farming. So that is called a market mover. So sometimes whenever you just watching the screen, you saw maybe the candle is suddenly become too much going up like an Eiffel Tower, and suddenly it's going down, a very big candles. That is actually the effect of the economic news. So always try to find a better way for your trading. How to do it? Just read some books, expend some time on education. The webinar you took, it's here for you always. Check the webinar, do the practice accordingly, and you will get some better results for sure. If you want to learn more from our application, what you need to do, here we have option of help, and we have support, help center, education. So we need to go to the education. In the education section, we have a different type of many options: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, fixed time trade strategies, forex strategies, fixed time trade guide, forex guides, drawing tools. Many things is over there. What you need to do, just you need to explore. If you are going to do exploring the things, you will understand. how to use the drawing tool, how the Japanese candle is working, which kind of indicators we have and how to use it, which kind of oscillators we have and how to use it, trading tools, trading advices, drawing tools, stocks guide, forex guide, fixed time trade guide, strategies, each and everything is here. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Just expend some time, guys. Half day, half hour in a day, just half hour in a day. If you're gonna expend it, you will get a better knowledge for trading. So please use it. If you are having all these things free, then what is the problem? Because we are here to trade. Then what is the problem to learn and then trade? All right, so let's take some comments. Sidhu, hello. Sidhu 2.0 YT, when will it start? I'm sorry, sir, on the starting there was some technical glitch, so I'm fast just starting the another webinar here. Okay, Santosh Parihar, hello ji. Sheikh Ahmad, take down now. Yes, I did, sir. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Mr. Munna, hi, reply me, sir. Yes, I replied, sir. Please let me know the question. Huzaifia Vlogs, hello. Address Bukhari. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Bukhari. Yeah, hi. Emmanuel, hi. Hello, guys. So, this is the time to say bye-bye. From last 40 minutes, I'm trying to giving you some consultation like this. I would like you to be those who joined now. This will be here. What you can do, you need to follow the instructions. Check the webinar again. I already provide you the way how to open the trade and the result. If you want, I can show you here. So this is my results of today's trading. Mostly trades are positive. Just what you need to do, be patient. If you will have patience, definitely you will get some better results. From Cameroon, I follow. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. Pleasure, sir. So, if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. Any kind of questions you have, like related to anything, please let me know. If not, then in that case, let's finish it here. So the last trade which I opened, that is also positive. So thank you so much. Pleasure to talk with you guys. Have a nice day. Please take care and best of luck for